But if I find that secret, as the lady sitting at her table just simply closed her eyes, saw the carpet clean, as perfect as it was when she bought it, and she felt so completely relieved, she could say thank you and then forget it. A total stranger drumming up business. Then she said to me, there are 2 telephone numbers in the book. The one he called is the second one. The second belongs downstairs, and the bell is almost, well, you can't hear it. She happened at that moment to be in the room. Were she not there, she wouldn't have heard it. But she was there when it rang. And the impulse would be, no, why must I be disturbed? For the phone rings like this all the time. People soliciting some work in your home. Then she said, yes, come over and take a little survey of the place and clean the rug. Which he did. She said the thing is just as new as the day it was put down. The bridge of incidents, you do not know how it's going to happen. You just trust with faith that it's done. And then thank you. And then touch, high five, hug. Touch the rug in your imagination. Touching is happening here. Smell something. Smell the food here. Maybe you're drinking some water and you're imagining. Your new vacation to Hawaii involves hiking up the Waimea Canyon. Well, thank you. Can't believe I went in flip-flops. Thank you. Was that memory new or is it old? What's the difference?